Hi, I'm Mark from L&M Small Engine. Today we're working on a Troy-Bilt XP series variable four-wheel drive. The reason they brought in is the traction control and the four-wheel drive control cables are both froze up on this. This one here and this one here, water got in there and corroded the inner wire, so nothing works. So anyway, I hope you enjoy the video. Okay, let's replace this cable that goes back here first. There's like a little trap door I think we take out to get to it. If that don't work, then we have to go in from underneath, but let's try this first. There's the end of the cable. We gotta squeeze that to pull it out of that. This it's like a regular flywheel brake cable with the two clips on it. And we unhook this one here. Okay, let's make sure one of them cables look like that. Froze solid. That's the same length and everything. So let's go back down here. Just like so. Okay, we got one side going. Now, this one here goes to the front wheels. So, okay, I'm gonna take this cover off here. It's like a 3/8 inch bolt there and one over there. Must have some underneath too. A lot of little bolts hiding up here. I think we got all the screws out of here. We'll still have one left underneath. There we go. So we got the same kind of a clip right here. Hey, all that work just to get that little cable out of there. There. Frozen. All this fancy stuff's nice on these things till they freeze up and don't work. Okay, move this cable along here. I'm gonna spray the oil on them axles. They're like really rusty. Lithium grease on them. All right. All right. I think it should stay there good enough till I flip it over. Okay, I think I got it. That blade's bent, so I might as well throw a new blade on there while we got it all apart. 5/8. See how screwed up that end's bent on there? We got it all up on the table and everything. There. Right now we can take it off the table and see if all them cables work now and everything. Alrighty. See what this thing does. Is there a primer bulb on this or it's automatic choke? Must be automatic. So one controls the front wheels and one controls the back wheels. So it's four-wheel drive. That's why it says variable four-wheel drive. Anyways, hope this video helps you out. Appreciate you watching. If you like my videos, please press the like button. Please subscribe. You guys have a good afternoon.